This is my computer. This is my keyboard. And this is my mouse. Button to turn on. Oh! Google Chrome to search. Type the word that you want to search. Animals. Now open the YouTube to watch video.